What's going on, everyone? My name is Mark Milano and welcome to this weekend's edition of Pocket Edit Sundays, where I'm going to show you guys some quick on-the-go photo editing techniques that are really going to make your photos pop and look awesome. So in today's video, we're going to be using the Polar app, and I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so you guys can go ahead and download the app. And what we're going to be doing in the app is we're going to be messing around with different presets, or in other words, filters, that you could do straight from your iPhone. So we all know filters from Instagram, everyone's always changing the filter. Visco Cam, they also have really great filters, but there are none like the Polar app, which I love to use if I just want to edit a photo real quick and just throw on a quick preset or filter. It takes literally 30 seconds, and they actually have hundreds of different filters that you could use. So let's jump right in to the app. So here we have a photo of my friend Anya. Big shout out. We do lots of photo shoots together and they're always really fun. So thanks for letting me use your photo in this video. And yeah, so I took this photo a while back and I never really got a chance to edit it. So I just found it on my phone, and what I want to do is just add a quick preset. So here we are in the Polar app. And the way we're going to find these presets is by going up to the 3 circles in the top left-hand corner. So we'll go ahead and just hit those 3 circles. And now, as you can see here, it's going to bring up a bunch of different categories. And what we could do now is go and hit the 3 circles to the left of that, and it's going to bring up 3 different sections: My Filters, Premium, and Standard. Today we're going to be looking at the standard presets. Here we go. So now we have hundreds of different presets that we could use for free of charge within the Polar app. That's why I love it, because these presets are free. Now there are also hundreds of more presets that you could actually purchase from the Polar app that I like to use. There's 70s, 60s, 40s, 30s, 20s, all of these different ones you could buy, but even in the standard, there's also hundreds more. So we'll go ahead and we'll check out some of my favorites. I like to go ahead and mess around with the Polar art. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click on PA2, which is actually my favorite filter from this app. So this is my favorite filter on this app. I know this type of filter is not everyone's favorite. I kind of just like it for this photo. I think the blue ambient surrounding the photo is pretty awesome. So we have this filter here selected, and now it's actually just going to break up our filters up top within the same category. So you can check out Moonrise, which looks really nice on this photo. Pearl, and we'll jump back in up here and we'll check out another category. Let's check out Vintage. Vintage looks pretty nice. So here is PT3, which is really awesome looking too. We'll go ahead, and now you can even scroll through the different types of categories if you don't want to go up and just check them out individually. PS2 Dreamy. This one's pretty cool. It brings out like a nice dreamy looking look. And yeah, so that was kind of a weird sentence. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and video on the presets that you could do on your iPhone. There's many different apps that I'm going to be showing you guys on this channel, and I really appreciate you guys coming out and checking out this video. As always, I'm always open to constructive criticism down in the comment section below. And I just, like I said, I appreciate you guys coming out to the video. For you people who do, just keep doing what you're doing. You guys are awesome. My name is Mark Milano, and I'll see you all in the next video. I'm out.